My name is Chrissy Skydancer, and I want to give you a really quick guide to save your money. We will talk today about buy orders for Linden dollars. With the help of buy orders, you will get with every purchase a better deal and pay less up to 5%. So let's start. First, go to your Linden dashboard. Find the Linden Exchange tab and click Manage. Now click on the Lindex Exchange Settings. Choose Advanced Mode. Press Submit. Afterwards, click on Buy Linden Dollar. Here you get now a new form, Best Rate Buy. Change the value to 259 and don't buy less than 3,900 Linden dollar due to the minimum transaction fee of $1.5 US. Above that, you pay 10% transaction fee to a maximum of 15 US dollar. So if you want to buy Linden without any fee on top, you need to breach the 39,000 Linden dollar. Every Linden after that threshold is fee-free. So if you regularly buy 10,000 dollar every month, think about to buy your yearly Linden dollar amount at once. You save around 30 US dollar. And remember, this is on top of the 5% you get with help of the buy order. If you don't want to burn your money and hardware, click this tutorial here.